Our focus in today's video is the difference between home and house. Some people use house in place of home, while others use home in place of house. There's no need to interchange them because they are two different words with different meanings in English. In this video, I'll break the difference between them and how to use them correctly in sentences, okay? Let's start with house. We use house when referring to a physical building or structure. So that means a house is a building. And a building is something you can see and touch. So that is what a house is. You can see a house, you can touch it. So whenever you are to use it in a sentence, you must ensure that you're referring to a building or a structure. Okay? Now let's look at home. We use home to refer to a place of comfort. So to use home in a sentence, you are referring to the feeling, the belonging, or the comfort you get from staying there. Okay, so home is a place. A house can be a home, a room can be a home, a city can be a home, and even a country can be a home. So whenever you're referring to the feeling you get in a particular place, you're referring to the place being a home to you, okay? So now the difference is that a house is a building, a home is a place of comfort. You can say, London is my home. That means you find comfort staying in London. All right? Now let's use this information to answer these questions. As we answer them, you will get clear understanding about how to use them correctly in sentences. Okay? 1. The storm completely destroyed their blank. Here we're talking about the storm, and storm can only destroy something that is physical. Okay, so here we are referring to a physical structure. That means house is the right word to use here. The storm completely destroyed their house. 2. She finally found a place she could truly call blank. Here the sentence refers to how the person feels being in that particular place. So this is about feeling of someone in a place. So home is the right word to use in this sentence. She finally found a place she could truly call home. 3. The blank on the corner was painted bright yellow last week. Here we are talking about painting. And painting can only be done physically. You cannot paint what you don't see. So this is about a physical structure. That means house should be the right word to use. The house on the corner was painted bright yellow last week. 4. Even in a foreign country, he quickly felt at blank. Here, this word, felt, tells us that the sentence is talking about how someone feels in that country. Okay, so when you're referring to feeling, use home. Even in a foreign country, he quickly felt at home. Also, whenever you see the word at, use home. We say at home, not at house, okay? You see at here, that means home is the next word to use, not house, okay? 5. That old blank has been empty for over 10 years. Here we have old. And this word is used for description. So we're using this word to describe something physical. So house is being talked about here. That old house has been empty for over 10 years. The word empty also suggests that we are talking about something physical. We are talking about a building. Okay. 6. Love and laughter are what make a place feel like blank. Here we have the word feel, and that shows that we are referring to the feeling of love and laughter. So the right word is home. Love and laughter are what make a place feel like home. 7. No matter how small the apartment is, it feels like blank to her. Okay, here we have apartment, which has to do with a physical building, but this part of the sentence talks about the feeling one gets from the apartment. So this is about feeling. The right word to use is home. No matter how small the apartment is, it feels like home to her. That means she feels comfortable in the apartment. That's what makes it a home. 8. The workers are repairing the roof of the blank. Here we are talking about roof. It is obvious that we are referring to a building. So what's the right word to use? House. House is a building. The workers are repairing the roof of the house. 9. Being with family is what makes me feel at blank. Thank you for staying to the end of this video. Please like it and subscribe for more grammar lessons like this.